Is the people analytics actually worth it? And can it really help you move into data-driven HR roles? In this video, I'll give you a quick and honest review so you can decide if this course is right for you. Before we start, quick tip. If you're planning to take multiple courses, Coursera Plus can be a better option. You get access to thousands of courses under one plan, including HR, analytics, and business programs. I've linked it below if you want to check it out. Now let's start with the basics. This course is offered by the University of Pennsylvania, also known as Wharton. It has over 150,000 learners enrolled and a strong rating of around 4.6 from more than 6,000 reviews. It's a short course that takes about 1 week to complete, so it's very beginner-friendly. What makes this course stand out is its focus on strategy. Instead of teaching tools or software, it explains how companies use data to make better people decisions. You'll learn how analytics is applied in hiring, performance evaluation, promotions, and compensation. Now let's talk about what you actually learn. You'll understand how data is used to improve talent management, workforce planning, and team performance. It also shows how companies combine data with decision-making to solve real HR problems. This is especially useful if you want to move beyond traditional HR and think more strategically. Now, who is this course best for? If you are interested in HR strategy or people analytics, this is a great introduction. It's also useful for managers and business professionals who want to understand how data impacts people decisions. Now let's keep it real. This is not a technical course. You won't learn tools like Excel, Python, or advanced data analysis here. It focuses more on concepts and real-world applications. So, is this Coursera People Analytics course worth it? If you want to understand how top companies use data in HR and build a strategic mindset, then yes, it's definitely worth it, especially as a short and high-quality introduction from a top university. If you want to explore the course or check current offers, you'll find the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest course reviews like this.